Early morning tag sale finds. So we got a new shelf, new shelves, new shelves. Aaron cleaned the dirt bikes bright and early this morning. Those are heavy. Let me get a dolly. Those are heavy. Or not. Eating steak.
Chinese food.
Mmm. Breakfast of champions.
Yeah, the whole thing. Holy shit.
He thinks he's big, Anthony. All right, well, this did have a key, and Darren seen me do it. I was like, nice, it has a key, but it was bent like this. So I go to take it out, and the key's snapped. What's that noise? Don't drop that.
On a stud.
Darren the builder over here. These shelves are sick. No screws involved. Redid the shelving like 8 times. A-series coming apart. Yeah. Drain the oil. Now to see what lies underneath the oil pan. Take off the timing cover. Maybe the chain. That looks so bad.
What's inside this thing?
I think I'm gonna paint the block, strip it all apart, take all the RTV off it, and clean it. Then paint it, oil pump, all that stuff. You guys will see. Thought it said that. Yep, there it is.
No way.
They didn't want this thing leaking.
At least there was too much RTV.
Sucks that. It sucks for us though. We gotta clean it all off.
I washed everything besides Anthony's.
Yeah, we gotta get some supplies at the old auto parts store. Then we straighten up. Organization is everything. But brake cleaner, shop rags, maybe paint world. We'll see. Gotta do a little shop run.
It won't bother you if you work on motorcycles or something.
They don't ask, we don't tell. For our daughters and stuff.
Yeah.
We can't ride them, too small. We have big bikes.
Yeah.
Just can't have them here.
Okay, guys.
You take care.
Thank you.
Good day. Engine degreaser. Gotta get the engine ready. Big trike upgrades. Banshee throttle thumb tube. Trike's been down because of the thumb tube snapped off of it. So now we got a Banshee one on it, and we're gonna test it. You gonna bring it down? Drop it on my car.
Yeah, just help. If I drop this thing on your car, it would be so cool.
Ready? Oh, no. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my. Look at that upgraded sissy bar. Oh yeah. We gotta get PVC pipes for this thing. This thing will slide then, baby. A little fuel.
Don't snap the cable. Something happened.
She's been down for a little bit.
Bone dry. Oh, they got fuel. Oh, there she is.
Oh my God, like a dream.
Is that full throttle though?
Yeah. How's the sissy bar look?
It actually fits good.
Way too much pressure in one tire.
I put only tire in the front.
Tire in the front. Trike is resurrected. All resurrected. Anthony, they're throwing it near their car.
You trust my catching abilities? Fucking stinks out here.
It does. There's like a huge fire from Canada, and the forecast we're catching it. What burned even? A plant, Djnoway? Do you know what burned?
I think it was like a wildfire.
Anthony's putting an air filter on.
You didn't realize that, Anthony?
Huh?
Look at the sky. That's why it
Did
smells.
you grease it?
I know, I just don't ask the question.
Did
don't hear it?
Brand new.
Did you grease it?
No, that's grease.
Pre-lubed. And you're leaking. Oh my god.
Oh, somebody opened my fucking gas valve.
Alright, so we're just riding in the woods. I go by this thing, I go over there, I'm like, wait a second. I go, Anthony, is this the balloon that we lit off the other night? The balloon? How far are we from the shop? 2 miles?
Probably more.
In the woods that we ride in, and it was just sitting right here with this giant spider on it. That thing is huge. That's crazy that came this far though. I can't believe that's the balloon. I gotta show Ant that. That's nuts. Right, what are you doing? Go easy. Ronnie Mac. Where's Ant? I hear him. Oh, get him! Ah, yeah, baby! Djnoway's giving her that thing. Fun fact: it has never been cleaned since he has owned it.
Almost 200,000 on it.
Anthony is working on his AE86 because there's a lift here, and he's doing things that require a lift. Let's go, Anthony. What are we doing?
He was gonna put his clutch and go home.
No gym tonight.
Let's put the fucking trans on.
No gym tonight.
Gym tonight.
This is the gym.
No.
Start curling the transmission.
No.
Gym tonight.
Subframe tomorrow. I'll bring it to your work. You could paint it there.
Oh, yeah.
Engine in tomorrow.
Nice.
We can drop this bitch in tomorrow.
That would be nice.
You know, UV paint. What you got?
Yeah.
By the time you get out of work, put it right in.
Bone dry.
Ah, clutch on. Yep. Much easier over here, Anthony. I don't have the amenities of the lift.
No, still grateful.
We got to get this. I'll be very happy once this thing is in the car, though.
Oh, I can't wait.
They love it, Anthony. It's gonna be good. Parento.
Adentro.
Time to mate. Let's see. Come on. Quick. Get it in. First shot.
Double down.
Money.
Mm-hmm. Then he got his trans all mounted up. Pretty soon it will be going in his car, which will be a good sight to see, so then he can move forward and finish it up. Now got his corner all tiny, clean, new cabinet. What are you doing? Picking the lock?
Trying to pull the key, bro.
Use a magnet. Ooh, no. Hot glue. You put the hot glue in there, you glue it, and you pull the stick out.
I don't think that'll work.
I'm telling you. It all somewhat cleaned. Anthony says it needs to be cleaned more. Tell him, man, it don't get cleaner than that.
No.
It's all corrosion. And scrubbed this thing for a long time. Time has come. Oil pump, good day. So it seems like it's just a couple bolts. And this comes off. Looks like a supercharger. Looks like a Whipple. How heavy is it?
It's kind of heavy, to be honest.
6, 8 pounds? 6
I
pounds?
think more.
Oh, that's like a 10-pound piece. Just touch it, feel it. It's gonna hurt your finger.
Oh yeah, that's like 10 pounds.
Oh my god, look at all that.
Hole we gotta fill. Oh, we gotta take that out.
Yeah, it comes right out.
Believe it or not, that's gonna be a big power gain. So when doing the Type S oil pump, it requires a little trimming. Like a haircut.
Spoon was saying you gotta cut like almost through this.
Yeah, so they come factory with a little slop in them, huh? It's right there, just follow that line.
Yeah, just grab them. Break.
They use pot metal over at their factories.
I don't know.
Procedure, we have to extract this little plug thing.
Hopefully it doesn't just fucking pull out.
There it is. Maybe put it back. Garbage. See it. Let's see the trim job.
Look how low that is.
Props to whoever figured this out, this one. Spoon's doing the same exact thing.
As we speak.
Right next door. Go check up on him. If you got questions, at
Yeah,
least
we got questions.
copy that a little. Cheap. But it seems like we have everything, which is nice. Whole kit. Huge shout out to Brian. Not painter Brian.
He doesn't sleep.
Other Brian. Whole kit. That's nice. Forget one thing, you're kind of screwed. Time to put the oil baffling on. Nice. Got all the screws for it. All the hardware.
Oh my god.
Put that bolt in there so we have oil pressure. Look at that. Fits.
Just like that.
All the holes line up. Mm-hmm. Everyone's doing K-Series things today, I guess. It's a K-Series kind of day. What up?
How'd you get yours out, Spoon?
Wood screw, right?
Yeah. It kept spinning.
Does Stevie has his hand in this one?
Yeah, he helped.
Hell yeah.
Another K-Series in his books.
It'll align perfectly until you put the tensioner.
Well, look, it's off.
It'll be off. Just put this side first.
Would you put her in neutral pulling in?
Yeah.
Key off?
Action.
That's not right. That's not right, Anthony.
No, that's, go down, go down. Can you go this way? Jesus. Wasn't that dramatic.
No.
Let me show you a trick. You grab it like this.
Trick with Anthony, let's get it.
You get another click.
Oh, he's clicking it too. Oh my
Come on,
God.
Anthony.
All set.
Maybe C-clamp.
That was all set.
C-clamp right here. Click. Huh?
Fuck no.
No, you don't like that idea?
got the
That's
tension.
enough tension for it.
Don't want no chain slap around here. You'll never see it, but I might get the clear, like cut up the cover a little so you can see it through it. You know what I mean? Like cut.
Yeah, you invite people.
see
Oh,
Yeah.
let's get underneath the car so we can see that piece.
A plexiglass window.
What does it say? DJ?
Yep.
One of those mirrors.
DJ.
Come on, respect.
Crazy.
Guys,
No respect,
wasn't
Anthony.
getting caught at all.
Engine hoist is buried, so we have to
Grab the
improvise.
ratchet strap.
Put on the lift arm, lift it up, subframe on. You'll see.
We're going up. That's good.
Gee, we could. Let me see.
What's that? Paint? Paint.
Really picked this up from sandblasting for Anthony. I
At
like,
lunch.
yeah, like one.
Yeah.
If it's
Painted it.
painted on the car. All these pretty billet parts, Anthony.
Final stretch. Grease. Grease your shit, people.
Lubrication is everything.
Yeah. In every way. If you know, you know.
Bring you hooks, Anthony. You don't even use the hook.
I know, right? I just put it here so we
Oh.
can pretend that we used it. That's beautiful shifter.
Drum roll, Anthony. We got to admire this. And get that cap. Is this the only time, unless you don't have to take it out, it's staying in?
The shifter might hit first.
No, it's not. That might hit the hood, Anthony.
Holy shit, right? Nah, it's not gonna hit.
Anthony didn't spare any expense on this one.
Nope. half.
all tight and tidied up.
It's in.
We're not gonna show it until the ITBs are on it though, and then
Yeah.
take a look at it, Anthony.
People.
My creation.
Beautiful.
The headers, I
This
get
was in my brain for 1 year. This whole idea. I was in.
dreaming of it, thinking about it. Just picture, I could see it in my head, Anthony.
Yeah.
Big,
Headers. all the
some
way
big
back.
joints. Room. So thankfully, you're not gonna have any clearance issues with anything. A lot to do, but it's in. Not coming back out.
Hard part is done.
Easy part.
What was the hardest part?
Painting, doing the whole bay. That was the hard
The
part.
prep was the hardest, right?
4 months.
All right, guys. So as you guys saw, all the timing stuff is back on the engine. New oil pump. Just dusted my hand. Next one, we will probably assemble the whole block, paint the whole block. Let me know in the comments below if I should do it black or silver. TV, everything. Gotta assemble it. Wire wheel the whole block. It's fun stuff. So, K-Series going back together. And engine that is in my Civic, I need to, I'm probably gonna rip it out come next week, take it out of the car. That way I could prep the whole bay because it's gonna need a lot of work and a lot of prep. It'll be good to get that ready, get the engine ready, accumulate some more parts. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.